Introducing the new Ink Prep tool that gives you surefire, perfect weld preps every time. The new Surefire 8 from Tri-Tool. Lightweight and ultra precise, the new Surefire 8 delivers perfectly square cuts of thin wall pipe with zero distortion, zero recuts, and zero downtime. The power is in the pads. Self-centering radius pads secure the inside pipe diameter for in-situ flexibility. Powerful, portable, with max versatility, the Surefire 8 performs quick and clean cuts simultaneously. Face or bevel and weld prep thin wall pipe in a variety of ranges, with the ability to customize sizes. It's the Surefire way to get 75% fewer recuts, 25% increase in productivity. The Surefire answer to reduce scrap costs and increase profitability. The Surefire 8 delivers where OD mount tools aren't viable. The housing is made from lightweight aluminum. A dual taper bearing design supports radial and axial loads. High contrast black and white markings increase visibility, and electric motors provide clean and quiet operation. Tri-Tool's new ID-mounted Ink Prep machine with full support pads is the Surefire way to get perfect cuts of thin wall pipe every time. The new Surefire 8 and Surefire 4 from Tri-Tool.